Substances in the surrounding, their state and properties. Identify the objects shown in the figure 5.14. From which substances are they made? What are these substances called as a group? Now observe this figure. See, this first image or this first picture is gold brass, and this second is iron brass. Gold brass Gold brass are made up from gold and iron brass are made up from iron, and these substances are called as the metals. Metals, substances like copper, gold, iron, aluminium are called as the metals. Metals are found in the form of mineral deep inside the earth. Minerals from the earth's crust are proceed to obtain the metal. In daily life, metals have various important uses. Let us study some common properties of metals. In day-to-day life, we use many metals. For example, iron, door, window, and gold jewelry. Now we are going to study the properties of metal. Take a piece of copper or aluminum wire. Take a piece of copper or aluminum wire or a small nail. Hammer it repeatedly. What do you observe? On hammering repeatedly, the wire becomes flat. That is, it forms a thin sheet. Means what happened? Suppose you are hammering on a wire repeatedly, then that wire is formed in a thin sheet. Metals can be converted into sheets by hammering. This property of metal is called as a malleability. Means hammering repeatedly, that metals are converted into a sheet. That property is called as a malleability. Next property. Hot iron is hammered and made into a thin sheet. Visit a blacksmith shop to observe how this hammering causes to do a stretch. Iron bars made to revolve continuously while being hammering become longer. The iron can be drawn into a wire. Metals can be stretched and drawn into wires. This property of metal is called as a ductility. Metals like silver, gold, copper, platinum can be drawn into a fine wires. Means a thin wire, if we stretch the metals, then these metals are converted into thin wires, and this property is called as a ductility. See, here two questions are asked. Why are the electric boards fitted on the wall made up of plastic or wood? What is the reason? Electric boards fitted on a walls are made up of plastic or wood because they are not conducting materials. If these boards are made up of metals, they would conduct electricity and allow current to flow through it freely. This would keep the person who touch it at a risk of injury by getting the electric shock. Next question. The handle of a cooker is made up of plastic, and why? All of you know the handle of cooker is made up of plastic. What is the reason behind that? The handle of a cooker is made up of plastic to avoid our contact with its metal body. Since metal is a conducting material, we stand a chance of injury when we cook it hot. By providing a plastic handle, we prevent the flow of heat from its metal body to a person who touch it and avoid the risk of injury. That's why the handle of cooker is made up of plastic.